नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
सारी दुनिया में अपना एक नुमाया मुकाम बनाने वाले मुल्क तुर्की के डायनामिक सदर तैयब एर्दोगान की हुकूमत के खिलाफ में आज से 2 साल पहले कुछ सिरफिरे लोगों ने अलम बगावत बुलंद करके सदर को खत्म कर देने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन अवाम की चाहत रंग लाई और इस तरह से करीब 250 लोगों को अपनी जानों से हाथ धोना पड़ा। आज तुर्की में इसकी दूसरी याददाश्त मनाई गई। इसके साथ साथ हैदराबाद में वाक़ तुर्की एम्बेसी में भी एक बैठक का एहतमाम करते हुए कुरान ख्वानी की गई। तुर्की के सफीर अदनान आल्टे आल्टिनोस ने इस मौके पर एम्बेसी में मुनक़दा इजलास में शहीदों को खिराज अकीदत पेश करते हुए उनके लिए दुआए मग़फ़िरत का भी एहतमाम किया।
Schools in Turkey and later around the world. The kids were educated in these schools with academic and financial help and put through mainly a heavy hand in indoctrination. They turned into unquestioning foot soldiers of Fethullah Gulen. They were provided with the answers to entrance exams of prominent schools and later for prestigious government jobs, including my ministry. Up until now, more than 600 people were dismissed from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. They were affiliated with the Fethullah Gulen's movement. They were ordered to stay hidden and to infiltrate state institutions. They were told that to achieve their main goal of capturing the state, they could issue all ethical, religious, and personal beliefs. Their handlers kept their indoctrination up to date and passed on to the instructions of their leader. As civil servants or military personnel, their loyalty was not to the nation or to the state they served. They did not care about upholding the constitution or the legal system of the country. Financing was taken care of by holding companies, donations from business people at first, and from laundering enormous sums of money, arranging illegal transfer of cash and other financial crimes later. The organization established media houses to shape the public opinion for and against any person, group, or idea. These media houses became focal point of actions taken against journalists, academicians, bureaucrats, and military officers who opposed them or tried to expose them. They were lynched and purged.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलते रहें।